In our last lesson, we learned about how the position absolute is working in CSS. If you have missed that video, the link is given down in the description. The position fixed works similar to the position absolute, but there are two main differences. Number one, an element with the fixed position will always stay at the same place even if the page is scrolled. Number two, an element with the fixed position is always positioned relative to the body even if the parent element has the position relative. That's it. Hope this helps you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay technically sound and spread love and compassion to all.